Hello friend, today I just show you how to use a online compiler of Pythons and any other programming compiler to use in our mobile. So how to use it without any downloaded apps. Okay, so free to users. So directly we write the online compiler. Firstly we have just open, then after we describe us. Okay, so online compare Python, just clicking on it, hit search and visiting on the first link. Okay, dot programming, we can any link we have to visit it, and many other interpreters, editor, Python editors available, but we suggest a first link. Okay, so basically it is useful for IT sector students, means first year second year student, and he is want to practice in a codings, any popular programming language like a C++, Java. So all type of extension available. So just clicking on it, we can see C++, Java, means all extension available. We want to coding in a Java, so just clicking on it, Java, and easily to you see the basic coding of Java is available on our screen, and execute then run. We can see a hello world. Yeah, output we can see, yeah, hello world. So in this website, it is a free to access, anywhere anytime we can coding. It is for basic coding, we can write it, not to be goes to extendable like advanced level codings in any programming languages. Okay, not to be considered a Python, any programming languages basic, only for basic coding we have to practice on it, not to be extendable, because any extendable programming language, when we goes to so many of extendable library downloaded and then work it, so these types of features of extendable library downloads is not available, because in our desktop we can use particularly talking about Pythons, so we can easily to download through the our PyCharms command terminals using pip commands. So online in this interpreter is not having a command from a to pip command. We can use a pip command in our mobile coding, so to use a termax. So okay, so I will tutorials about a termax and how to coding in our termax through the mobiles, through the Android where. So talking later, but now a time I just talking about basic coding in our mobiles, means how to coding in our mobiles, not to be carry about a laptops, not to be carrying about tabs like in anywhere. So students not to be means engineer student not to be uh, collapse the hour times. So how to use the times, so basically we can use this type of entering in our website and just open on it and use the basic coding, so strong our coding, because when we are strong our coding level, then after we can crack and compete the TCS and Infosys, IBM types of IT sector jobs, because in this area we have to having a two coding level, and similar like a platform we can code us, then after reaches to second stage. So now it's just coding available on it. Okay, so basically I just printing on a Python's hello world. Yeah, we just see it, but I already coded in our online compilers. Okay, so goes to that area. Yeah, we can see we can already writing the code like some, we can user value some provided, means we can get a number by the users, then after us calculate this sum, so execute them. So we can see it is a working or on working or not. So just writing in a 5, then entering second number 2, 5 to 7. So yeah, we can see a 7. So it is a working, but in this a compiler not to be a huge extendable like working on a machine learning data science, not to be a working in our compiler. It is a basic Python codings, means inbuilt library having in our Python ideally. So similar like we have to work it like inbuilt library, we have to work like sum multiplications, uh, user integrate, means a similar like work in our Python interpreter, not to be downloaded extendable library. So similar like a working in our Python interpreter, similar like a workings, okay, not to be changeable. So we can coding in a basic like, okay. Thank you for watching, see you next time.